Good morning, class. Welcome to day 2 of your emotional color project. This video is going to go over today's task list so you know exactly what to complete for today's class. To begin to discuss the learning goal, as a reminder, our learning goal for this assignment is to create a design that evokes a specific tone or emotion through our use of color. Now, the essential question reflects that by asking, how does an artist's application of color, how we actually apply it, how does that affect the emotional response of the viewer? Now, that's normally I would just discuss this right now, but because today's vocabulary words exemplify that question, I'm going to wait until the video, the rhythm and harmony video, to discuss that with you. So we'll just hold that thought for a moment. So again, our vocabulary is rhythm and harmony. And then moving on to the task list, once you're done this video, the first thing you're going to do is watch the rhythm and harmony video. It'll help with today's entrance ticket questions, which ask you for the definitions of both of those words. That video will not only give you the definitions, but also explain how it specifically relates to this project and how you can use those moving forward as you begin your final projects today. So once you watch that video and you've completed your entrance ticket, please spend the rest of the class working on your final project. If you haven't finished your sketch, work on finishing that first. But I would like to see the beginning of your final drawing today. Make sure that when you are drawing your final project, you are drawing on the pastel paper. That's that rough, grainy paper that you need for the pastels. It's very specific for that material. So make sure you're drawing on that rough side, because that's what's going to catch the pastels and allow you to push and blend them around. So anyway, submit that beginning drawing on the pastel paper to the day 2 student progress. And as a benchmark goal, if you finish about half of your drawing today without any color, then I'd say you're on pace. And then next class, you can finish the rest of that line drawing, so you can add color after the fact. I just lost power, but that's the end of my video here anyway. So please make sure you complete everything on this list, and I will see you in just a moment in the rhythm and harmony discussion. All right, bye everyone.